There's some droppings down there, but not like a whole bunch.
Yeah, very little in here, dropping wise. You can leave it open. Oh,
how far apart do you want these?
Would you just set them like that? Huh? Would you set them like that?
That's why we start moving.
Yeah, I want to get them. I want to try to see if it was really open.
See what you got? 3 in this one.
We'll wrap it around that pipe.
Right here?
No.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
Do it right there where they jump off.
Yeah.
Probably do it right there and do these three also.
We have a ladder.
Underneath it, tucked underneath. We'll just do a bead all the way across. Same thing here. We'll do another bead all the way across. In here, you know, keep them from coming in here. Do it on that side. And over there, there's like 3 hours we have to hit. Every opening on the ends, let's just hit them. And then what I think what we should do, Bob, like for example, look over there, is the wall. So, if you see the legs, you know, you got the leg right here.
Yeah.
And it runs all the way back, right? And then up here in the leg, there's a hole. That's for the flex. We'll put some on the hole. And what I want to do is run the bead this way. Instead of from the back forward, let's run it from the front back. And we'll put a glue board in the back over here. Right?
Up against the wall.
Up against the wall, yeah. And then here, what we can do is we can probably pop every other one, maybe, and put product. And we can do a bead, or we can do the trays, but it's too. I don't know if it's just repellent.
Mm-hmm.
So, for example, if I was to use it around your bait, let's just say, they would never come to your bait.
That's why.
Okay, so I'm not going to put it near your bait at all. I'm not going to put our product near your bait. What I'm going to use with our stuff is your glue boards. Because when they hit our stuff, it slows them down to the point where they become very vulnerable. And what we've seen is they run right into the traps or the glue boards.
Well, I'm just wondering if we should take the bait stations out of there and put traps.
And glue boards?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're literally trapping them down there. So anywhere you're putting bait boxes, I'm not putting my product because they'll never come to your product.
I'd rather do that.
They'll stay away.
Yeah.
You know.
They're explaining to me, let's take these bait stations out, this wall right here, because if they put their stuff out, we're going to catch them a lot faster than if we don't have the bait.
How's that?
Because this stuff makes them vulnerable. It makes them go right to the traps. So.
Because we put the product wherever their path of travel.
They won't go to the bait if they put their product out.
Yeah. If they hit our product, they'll turn around and run out. They'll just run away from the area completely.
It has chili in it, white pepper, so it disorients them and stresses them out.
I mean, if you want to leave your bait stations, you know, that's your deal.
Yeah, no.
But I won't put any product here.
Where else you gonna put them? Yeah.
We'll find a place to put
It's
them.
just like gel and baiting.
Right.
And spraying. So
I'd rather
either we bait it or we gel it.
I'd rather use their stuff and get
I
rid of
think
them.
then let's get the bait out of here and put the traps and stay.
Sounds good to me.
Because this way they can start running around.
They will. The stuff, once they get on it themselves, they will start running around in different areas, trying to get away from the stuff.
You can't expect them to eat them up.
Exactly. I'd rather have them.
You want to put the base stations away from that stuff.
Right.
Rather than running two.
Right.
Because all I was gonna do is I'm gonna put some product up there where you showed me
Mm-hmm.
with Chase, down at the bottom. I was gonna stay away from here since you're here, but I'm gonna hit those two shelves, those aisles right there.
Okay.
But now you are going to do this.
Well, yeah, if you pull them out, I will.
Let's do that then.
Yeah.
Just pull them out of there, and then you want the traps on the outside.
Well, probably on the inside too, don't you think? If they're going to put their product.
You're going to want to.
They're going to want to get out, and they're going to be sloppy getting out, so they're going to run into the...
You're going to want to trap hard outside the area
Yeah.
they be.
Yeah.
Not necessarily in.
Right.
I'm gonna put some glue boards in there too. Though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Control almost in what direction you want them to be running into. Because let's just say I put a barrier all the way around this thing, they'd never go in there. Literally, if you pulled every one of these and I pulled a bead all the way around it, they'll never go in there.
Just trap hard all the way.
That's what I'm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds better to me.
You know, they won't cross it.
Okay.
And then base station
Load it
outside
up.
of that.
Yeah, with traps, once they put the gel.
Right.
Okay. Let's do it.
Or do you want us to...
Yeah?
Box with the trap in it.
Kind of describe what you're doing, Max, right now.
Hold on, Richard. Give me a... See that?
Yep.
And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bead of our product. Cross. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. From the glue board back
That way,
to the
uh-huh.
toe kick.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll probably put some right here. Because they can climb through here. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just doing like a control. I'm trying to control their path of travel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to do it here. I'm going to take the center there and do another center here. And basically what's going to happen is if they come in contact with this, they're going to try and find a way to get away from it as fast as they can. Okay? Chances are they're going to be looking for places to run that way or run that way. Okay? Now nobody's to say that they can't come in through here, right?
Right.
Right in through here. They can. You know, but I can't treat this whole thing.
Right.
I mean,
Can't code everything.
yeah, I can't call them for you anymore. And then you guys could be more successful with your snap traps out here also.
Okay.
You understand?
Right. So they can start bailing out.
Yeah, because you're basically creating an area that they won't come into anymore if they know this stuff's in here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and trap out this whole area here.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Let's do this one. Just slide those over.
This one?
Yep. Hey, you could probably do this one. Yeah, do that one right there. Do it this way.
Richard. Got me a glue board.
Where's the flashlight at?